What's going on? How we doing? Thursday. Got my tunes on my head. Thursday's here. We've had some news this morning already. Quickly check that. Wrong button. GDP this morning, wasn't it? GDP this morning was coming in better than expected. 3.3%. As expected, 3.1%. Previous was 3%, so that's quite good. Unemployment claims come in less than expected as well. And yeah, all we've got now is pending home sales at 10 AM. Something that I've been sort of trying to keep an eye on this morning after that news that we had in GDP is and the unemployment claims is the rate probabilities. Still 85%. So yeah, still priced in basically. So yes, very interesting, very interesting. All right, let's get a little poll up quickly. Bias for this session. Long, short, shot. I'm not sure on my bias yet. I need to actually have a good look. I haven't had time yet. Haven't had time. How are we doing, guys? Who we've got? So we've got Heath. How you doing, mate? Stoney, how you doing? Good morning. Right. I've literally just missed a trade this morning. I was pretty annoyed by it. I was driving. And yeah, missed a trade on the funders. Was liking the look of a long from the previous day, point of control. Got the alert around here while I was driving. Didn't quite make it home in time. Bit gutting, but you can't obviously always get them all, can you? So right. Let's zoom out the 15-minute. So I think it's safe to say this week is probably bullish, isn't it? I was going into the week thinking we're going to be bearish, but we've had a relatively decent close yesterday. Looking like we're going to want to sweep the highs at least today. This is the ES chart, boys. Yeah, I reckon we end quite strong, to be honest, this week. Or at least sweep of the highs today. In fact, I'm even going to mark out the highs so I don't forget where they are. That'll do. Give me the lines on my chart. So we had the Nvidia earnings call yesterday, which I think pretty much come in as expected. Which is sort of why it's a bit of a indecisive bar, wasn't it? But we've retraced the whole bar. And yeah, there's nothing too dramatic in there, I don't think. Right, we've got 1 minute until market open. Get ourselves set up. Yeah, to be honest, not sure what I like the idea of today, trade-wise. I like the idea of the point of control play, and we've had it. Wouldn't mind pulling back to 486. It's not a don't think it's a level that I'd trade off of, but or maybe we find support the previous day value or high push up and just smash all-time highs. Yeah, I think longing from the previous day value or low, if we get down there 483 would be a good trade. Just sweat that low. But yeah, just forget it or not. Right, we're open, we're open. What's that? Oh, I'm not even logged in, man. I'm not even logged in. Burn. There we go, push straight up. Yes, finding support as well. Be interesting if ES takes all-time highs, because NQ has got quite a ways to go, haven't we? It's fucking gone, man. It is gone. Couple of profit targets taken, then higher day taken. $100 points up already. Jesus, 2 minutes. Minute and a half. Just made a killing on that open. Just made 900 off that push. Nice, boys, mate. You fucking boys have got balls of fucking steel, man. Fair play. Fair play, man. He must be in the same trade. Not quite at all-time high on ES just yet. Swept higher day. And yesterday's high as well. It's going to be one of these days, isn't it, boys? Up and up only. You've still got one running. Fair play, mate. You might be in the position of the day. Next year, because I can't make more than 1,500 a day for the fun, dude. Made 600 last night. Nice, Stoney. Nice, man. That's it. You're done for the day, then. Great start to the day. What a push, what a push. Flat now done for the day as well. Have a good one. See you later, Heath, mate. Short and sweet, that's all you need, man. That's all you need. Fair play. I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Great day, great day. Go retracing that move now. Oh, ES didn't quite get there, did it? Didn't quite get there. Potential still room to the upside then. You get it next time, yeah. Fingers crossed, mate. If not today, tomorrow. Right, just gotta try and remember that news that we've got at 10. Anything going on tomorrow? PCE tomorrow, and we've got the consumer sentiment that we normally get on a Friday. ES is retesting that value high. We're going to find support here again. We're going to break below. That's the question, isn't it? That's the question. So we're quite away from the signal zone at the minute, and it's 80 points yet. 80 points away from the signal zone. So yeah, I mean, if we just keep pushing up today, it's unlikely that I'll get into a trade on the 150k using the indicator. It's going to be possibly no trade day. But I don't know, I feel like we could get a pullback, but I quite like the idea of ES sweeping the all-time highs and then falling back in. Obviously, if we do, yeah, we could get a sell-off into the zone, possibly get a trade in at least. So we get a nice 5-minute close on that ES bar. Oh, I forgot to close the poll. No surprise, everyone's gone long. Yes, might hold that support. It's looking likely at the minute. I think it could hold it until we at least take the all-time high. Then maybe we'll fall back in, but I think if we do start closing below this level on ES, then I think we get a bit of a sell-off. At least back to the point of control, I would have thought. And yeah, there's plenty of room for Nasdaq to fall as well. News at 10:30 yet. News at 10:30. Oh, the natural gas storage. Okay, man. Oi, oi, mate. How you doing? How you doing? I was talking about you yesterday, actually. I said to someone, Lewis, I think, he was in the stream yesterday. I haven't seen you in a while, so I hope you're alright. Hope you're keeping well, bruv. Don't know why I said bruv. I've got my baseball cap on today. I'm in chav mode. I don't normally say bruv. 10s and 30. Yeah, 10's the home sales, isn't it? Is that right? Pending home sales. Orange folder. So yeah, could get a little bit of movement off that. Good, hey mate, been travelling again, still like him. Hope you and the family good. Yes mate, all good, all good. Just getting ready for little one to come, man. Just getting ready for the little one. But getting excited now as well. She's fucking uncomfortable as fuck. It's no surprise. Where you been travelling to? Anywhere nice? Anywhere exotic? Nowhere crazy. Added up how much I've spent on prop firms since 2022, so painful. Oh mate, that's going to be a rough number. 2022 is a long time ago though. What, 2.5, 3 years, isn't it? Yeah, I bet it's not a pretty number, mate. It adds up, doesn't it? But I think a good way to look at it as well is if you had, say, been putting money into a personal account and just kept losing that over and over again, you'd probably be worse off, I imagine. Okay, I'm dropping back in. There you go, yes, broke that level. Going back to the point of control. Could be quite heavy. Yeah, no regrets, just painful to see. Less of my student loan though. Oh man. It's hard, and it is fucking hard. I had a little mini meltdown the other day about life and trading and stuff like that. Happens every couple of months. But the missus taught me out of it and back on it. Yeah, trading's fucking hard work, isn't it, man? Hard on the soul. Hopefully you get a short set up here, Sam. Yeah, I'm hoping so, mate. I'm hoping that we yeah, pull back into the signal zone. Yeah, maybe we get a short signal. Or even failing that, we just retrace here and maybe get along from here potentially. Whatever it wants to do today. Just wondering if ES is going to find support here again like we did. We have what, 3 taps of it? I like the idea of it failing now, to be honest. They're saying, when do you realise you're the 99% that don't make it? It's a hard one, isn't it, though? It's like... because it's also the time that you spent already wasted. As soon as you give up, that you're accepting that you've wasted that time, and it's hard work. Yeah, I've been sat there thinking, oh, should I have spent the last 2.5 years, however long it's been, setting up another business or something. A normal business. I think the issue is like whatever you're doing in life, especially if it's like a business, it has to bring joy. You have to enjoy it, because if you don't, you're not going to put the effort in. Like with YouTube, like the making videos and stuff doesn't bring me joy, and I have zero motivation to actually make YouTube videos. Streaming, I enjoy doing, but trading's what I enjoy doing, not making YouTube videos. And the same with anything else. If I went and set up a, I don't know, cleaning business, or went and retrained doing carpentry or plumbing or something like that, I wouldn't enjoy it. Therefore, I wouldn't put any effort into making the business work. So, and for a penny or 7,000 pennies. Taco, how you doing, mate? Here we go, getting to that level on ES. Quite bearish close in this 5 minute. I reckon we break this level. Anyway, K-Man, on to more positive vibes. I've got a theory of who you are. I can't remember if I've actually already asked you this one. But yeah, I found a man. Oh, hang on, I might be getting this up here. I found a man who is in politics of some description, but nothing too serious. Oh, hang on, boys, hang on. Getting a signal, getting a sell signal. Wait for the candle close. Yes, looking extremely heavy. Back Asia open. We're in short. Another offer fill. How is it I'm getting my fills? 3.5, nearly 4 points from when I'm pressing the button. Slippage is ridiculous. Yeah, we're in short. I like the profit target of the Asia Open, to be honest. If we come down that far. Yes, K-Man, the man that I think you could be. I don't know if you've ever seen him on the news. I think he ran for MP once. Fate being Balaclava, man. This is my theory on who you are. Yeah, we need a nice awful close on ES. It would be cool. Bad face, man. Dude, it's like a hot Cheeto. Yeah, no, I think he's some guy. Obviously, didn't want to show his face. I think he ran for MP at some point a couple of years ago, and had to stand with Jacob Rees-Mogg. I thought it was fucking hilarious. With an on the head there, buddy, totally me. I know it probably isn't because I've seen your Discord picture, and also I don't know how old that picture is, but that guy I think is bald and ginger. I think. I don't know how you can be bald and ginger, but you just know when you see someone who's clearly ginger. But he's bald. Might have a ginger beard, maybe, I can't remember. Currently respecting Asia Open on ES. Quite a bearish close on it, but a bit of a wick. Didn't quite sweep the lows. I'd say we've still got probably further to go unless we're double bottoming, but no news anyone had to verify their accounts with Verif? No. What, your top step accounts? Maybe it's only something you got to do if you get a payout. It's not an issue I've had in a while. Need to break below the point of control, previous day point of control on it. Thank you. Struggling here a little bit, finding support. Oh, yes, taking that low. Tapping into the previous day value low. Ideally, we look heavy through this. Here we go, here we go. Nice 1 minute closer. Come on, keep melting, keep melting. Just me, that must be on a really cool list. Yeah, that must be it, mate. Or maybe it's only people that shit on fences that I've got to verify. Come on, yes. Keep looking heavy. Keep looking heavy. Back at entry now. Not loving this. Got a very not the best close on that ES to be. I'm going break even on this. There you go, I'm out. Oh, a bit annoying that one. It was looking like we might melt through. But then ES looking like it's finding support. What was up at the most? 40 points. Bit frustrated I didn't take profit on that one, but it did look like it was going to just keep pushing. And it was quite volatile, wasn't it? So it was back at my my entry pretty quick. One minute we're down here, the next minute we're back up here. Frustrated. Yesterday I took a trade on my eval to pass, but not on my funders, and it was a bang. I was still happy because I passed. That's it, mate. Still a good trade, innit? You passed. Could be getting a long entry. Stops out on that. We're back in shorts again. Yeah, frustrating one because I'd be up a good, what was I up? Sort of 600-700 at one point. Would have been a good start. Whoa, fuck me, what was that? Had to be some news there, surely. That was a fucking slap and a half. Bum, 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 bum. Sorry, I'm reading chat. It's been a bit hectic the last few minutes. Good morning, Leonardo. How are you, man? Are you tuning in from your family's house? Looking to see how this closes on ES. Yeah, I've closed that. I'm out. Yeah, so it's like it's respecting the point of control at the minute. Not worth giving anything back on that one. I'm good, and you? Yes, mate. Not too bad. Not too bad. What did I catch there? Caught about 20 points. I need to bounce before I get tempted to trade. Stay safe, peeps. See that game, man. Enjoy your day, mate. Enjoy your day. Gonna get some evals with funding ticks. Been hearing some good stuff about them, and they've got 50% today. Okay, that's not bad, is it? 50% off. $38 or 66 no activation fees, and they have very simple rules. I'm going to say on them. No, it's not one I've ever heard of or traded with or anything, mate. Maybe you can be the guinea pig. But yeah, still finding resistance at the previous day point of control. Tempted to go short here, but I don't love breaks and retests of the point of control. Wanting to diversify on prop firms, being on only one at a time is hit or miss. I'm feeling, yeah. That's the thing, is you have no idea what the future is going to look like for them either. Like, if the one major prop firm in the space suddenly goes fucking bankrupt, but that happens to be the one that you've got all your eggs in that basket with, you're going to be pretty pissed off, aren't you? I think it's definitely a good idea. If you're not ready to do a personal account yet, I think diversification is good if you're at the profitable stage. If you're at the profitable stage, get regular payouts and stuff, yeah, I think it's definitely a good idea to diversify a bit. It's been a bit of a mad day, I think. Aggressive, strong push up, big sell off. Now sort of middle of the range, deciding what we're going to do. Yeah, nice sweep of both sides of the liquidity. Pissed off, man, that I didn't take profit on that first trade. There you go. If I'd shorted there, it'd probably been a nice little win. Not quite a take profit yet, to be fair. Yeah, I think if I'd zoomed out a little bit more and seen that we'd swept this low, I'd have been a bit more keen to try my stop. I'm sure there's the one low I didn't mark out. Normally mark out my little swing lows, but yeah, for some reason I didn't do that one. But yeah, zoomed in, I didn't really sort of notice that we were sweeping that low. London low, I think, wasn't it? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. But yeah, still struggling at this level. I like the idea of another leg down, but we shall see. Be interesting to see how this 5-minute bar closes on ES. Another close underneath. Could potentially be getting a little short signal in a minute. I do like the idea of it. ES has been struggling. Alright, we're in a short. We'll take profit set of the low of the session at the minute. Maybe a stop out, stop out. Room for a long. Really hope we don't start flip-flopping here. Yes, if one more tap of that Asia open. Right back and short. Ideally, if we get a bit of volume come back, that'd be nice. And longs. I need to stop what's in place. 26875. Yeah, we need to get out of this range ring because it's annoying me. I think I just got to do nothing. Moving weird right now. And the stuff can't lose if I don't trade or FOMO. Plus, still have to affect my funded. Yeah, mate, it's a good way to be. Good way to be. But yeah, it's a bit of a strange one today. Hopefully we get a nice close in this 5-minute bar on ES. Oh man, fuck me, man. Another close underneath. Jesus. Trying to give it a bit of room to get out of the range, but again, maybe I should have taken profits. Five minutes not looking too bad. It's just the ES isn't looking amazing. There's quite a few levels around here that's chopping between, isn't there? Not a fun place to be in. So well, the minute we get a close above this, I think that'll be what we need if we get it. 492 on the on a yes. Another minute to make it happen. Come on, ES. Come on. 20 seconds. Get that close. I mean, it's a bullish enough bar, isn't it? Trading up aggressive now. Can't give anything back. I'm out. Listen, eval, yes, mate. Yep. Good stuff, Sam. Yeah, I mean, it'd be frustrating if we then push up to my target, but trying to make a bad day, not too bad. On 150k account, yes, mate. That's it, mate. But this day is giving me no confidence that we're going to get a sustained move, quite choppy. So broke out the range, decent wick, spike of volume. Let's get out. Happens to go if you got man, yeah. I mean, down 200 on a day like this is not too bad, really. Would have been quite a good day if I was taking profits initially. Yeah, 50 points. Slight delay on the stream. Yeah, I tried to put a bit of delay on it. Just to help with the quality of it. I think it'll be about 20 seconds, I think. There you go. Yes, it's finally getting that close we were looking for. Bum, 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 bum. There we go, making a run for the highs now, we by the looks of it. Gonna have a great day. See you later, Stoney, mate. Cheers for stopping by. And yeah, congrats on a decent day, man. You was done 1-2 minutes into the open. It's pretty good, that. That's pretty good. You're gonna hit the highs, but all good, bro. You scored a good amount. That's it, mate. I mean, it's just a shame I didn't have the for some reason I didn't have this low. I've marked out every low like I always do, every sort of swing with the little green line. For some reason I didn't mark this one out. If I had, I would have been trailing aggressively down here, so I would have secured some profits and I would have been up on the day. But then after being down quite a bit, I'm happy to only be 200 down to minus 10 points. Yeah, the way I'm starting to trail taco is once it sort of takes a sort of swing high, swing low, I'm trading up aggressively now. And yeah, I should have taken down here. And then once we swept above the this little local high here, we had a spike of volume, big wick was forming. I wanted to be out. Now I'm trading the mini Nasdaq on the challenge, but obviously I've got micro ES up on the top set funded. I only trade micro ES on the funded. Haven't taken anything today. Wonder why it's so different. No trades for me, but handled what I needed to, so productive morning, good man. Time to activate the express funded. Ready for the afternoon, assuming nothing else comes in at the minute. Comes in the AM. I get paid this time, smart trades, and I'm confident. That's it, mate. That's what I'm trying to do on the fundeds now. I'm even happy with one trade a day at the minute. One trade a day keeps the losses away. Wait for the perfect setup. This was my perfect setup today. But I just happened to be out in the car at the time, so I couldn't take it. It's even trades other side to close there. They've got to sit in. I'm doing a good day. Good man. Good, yeah. Just keep the same level head that you've got during the challenges, the combines and stuff. And yeah, you should be fine, man. Take it nice and slow. If you feel yourself getting emotional at all, lock yourself out. Call it a day. Emotions is what's doing it, isn't it? We're talking about eggs in one basket, but I'm only using top step for now. I'm going to focus on one and expand, switching screens and platforms, different entries, etc. Make it simple now. Yeah, man, that's 100%. I definitely don't think you should be anyone should be sort of trying to do various different prop firms if you're not like taking regular payouts, because what's the point? Do you know what I mean? You may as well stick to one account, get it funded, start taking payouts, and then when you're sort of feeling more confident with that, taking payouts, then say, right, I'm going to start doing another challenge on another prop firm, get that up to funded, just slowly build them up. There's no need to rush it. But yeah, it's definitely not worthwhile if you're not taking regular payouts, I don't think. The only reason I'm doing a different one now is because I'm trying to move away from top step. If it wasn't for that, I would just stick with top step. Express funds at 1,400. Nice, man. Never does. Getting tempted. Ideas trying to cheap trade. It's a lot out. Good, man. Good. All the express funders are base 4k. I'm going to withdraw 10k as planned. Nice, man. Yeah, that'd be good. That'd be good. That was sort of my target, was sort of get them all up to sort of 4 or 5k each and then start thinking about taking payouts. Looking to see if we can get a little cheeky short in off of the previous day value area high. Lines up quite nicely with the current week. I might actually move my entry up slightly. Just try and give us a bit more room. ES looks like NQ looks like it's going to sweep the highs at a similar sort of time, so it could be a good little place to be short. Alliance business size handling. I'll be able to I'm making money from this. Nice, man. There's literally putting all on the line and betting on myself. Mate, that's gnarly, that is. Fair play. Fair play. You should do nothing right now. Yeah, I mean, we'll see how we get here. NQ's now selling off a little bit. If we get a big reaction here, then I'll probably cancel it. Might be in front run slightly. Had a good win, but also you wanted to aim higher on NQ for buyers. Yeah, I mean, the target was on NQ, was the highs. My thoughts are if we push up, we could be sweeping the highs at the sort of my entry kind of thing. That's why I sort of like it. Don't know if it will quite line up, but there's absolute shit ton of orders. Just gone into the book map. I can't even read that number. It might be 600 odd orders sitting here. At 500. Not that I've used that really to trade off, because I'm not really good at reading book map, but Oh, looks like it's been front run a little bit. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to call it. I may take this, I may not. See how we go. I don't love it as much when we come up and sort of front run it slightly. It's the same thing we had this morning. Come down, just about tapped it, pushed away, then we come back and you just eat more into it on the second push in. You don't know if it's going to hold as much, so I don't know. But I'll let you know in Discord if I do. And I'll be back tomorrow for Friday, end of the week, last day of the week. Ideally, we get a winning trade on the funders tomorrow. Last day of the month tomorrow, innit? And yeah, put me back over to the sort of 400 on the month-ish. That would be nice. That would be nice. Yeah, take it easy, boys and girls. Careful if you're still trading. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. Just stopping by. Ta-da.